If we open up the presentation layer, here we see our Pages dashboard. These are all of the pages throughout your entire application. While I may be on the home page right now, I can still, for example, take a look and edit the login page. I can look at its appearance settings, its logic settings, data settings at any time. The indicator on the Pages dashboard lets us know which page we're currently viewing. You can also see how all the pages are organized or grouped by table. Every page lives on a table, and every page has a starting point of a table when it comes to what data to show on that page. For example, we're currently on the home page. Its starting point is the applications table. It's going to show information about our application. If we jump to administration page, we'll see that our helpful indicator changed, letting us know which page we're on. This page is also about our applications table. Pages can be opened in one of two ways. They can be opened inline. For example, this page below. If we click into Add User, this page opens up in a dialog. This clickable button is what determines whether a page opens inline or a dialog, so that you don't have to build a second page for that. Pages also have responsive settings. If we click down here, we can see our screen size tool. Currently, we are on desktop. If we click through tablet, and if we click to mobile, we can show new fields, hide some fields, or rearrange them without having to build a new page and without having to disrupt our desktop version. Here we see there are 8 pages within the applications table. Another example is users have 4. Here we see all of the settings in our settings tool. As a developer, it's best to explore all of these settings, making your existing pages very quick and efficient to use. For example, whether or not the page is in edit mode, view mode, or add. You can set unsaved change warnings without having to do any coding. You can even set your page to be publicly available, whether an unauthenticated user can view this page. Not to be confused with security, whereas the user may be able to view the page, but may not be able to see any data on the page. That will be determined by the security settings, whether or not the user has ability to view the data that this page shows. All of the settings across the overlays work together or independently. Here we see fields. This shows us all of the fields that are currently attached to this page. Currently we have the installation header and our administration tabs. If we return to the page below, and we turn on our appearance overlay, we can see the installation header, and we can see those tabs. The header has fields of its own. We can see those looking at the field settings, and same with the tabs. They have fields of their own, and we can see those on the field settings. At any time you can create a new page. We can create a new page manually from scratch. We can set up page name, choose which table, select some starting fields, the mode, and save. Manually creating a table is very quick and easy. We also have the option to use the NLP. NLP is our natural language processor. Using this tool to create pages gives you many more options. For example, create company table. We can create that company table with many different pages. Add, edit, view, etc. If we click this option, create add company page, similar to our manual page creator. We can also use the dashboard to navigate to different pages. For example, the home page or the login page. We can also search the pages. For example, user. Pages are also seen in some of the other dashboards. For example, logic. We can go to pages. Returning to the dashboard, let's jump back to our home page.